Hey there, Guitar Bee. Mr. Mercado here, and let's talk all things quarter four in guitar class. Let's take a look at how we are going to use My MCPS Classroom during quarter four. So if we go to our classroom tab, I'm going to go to student view so that you guys can see exactly what you'll be seeing. We've got two main tabs that are going to be important for us this quarter, modules and assignments. So modules are essentially the lessons that I'm going to be giving you each week, and assignments are the actual things you need to do that have point values associated with them. Now, the assignments are actually located in the modules as well, so really everything you need is just in this one tab. So if we go into here, we can see that we've got two different modules. You've got secondary general music, and that one contains lessons made by the county about basic general music concepts. And this is what you're going to do if you do not have a guitar. Now, if you have a guitar and would rather do this optional assignment, which is Unit 7, Lesson 1, these are lessons that are actually catered for guitars. So if you have a guitar at home, you can participate in this lesson and do it instead of the secondary general music lessons. However, if you don't have one, you can't do that. So you have to choose. So let's go into the secondary general music and take a look at this lesson. And as you can see, these are all the pages that are within this lesson for week 1. And we actually have 3 pages that have point values associated with those. And these are the 3 assignments that you have this week. Now, you only have to complete 1 assignment per week. So you can pick and choose which one you want to do. And once you've completed it, then you're good for this first week. That means that once we get to week 2, you'll also have 3 options and so on. So let's take a look at this lesson and go through it. So first, we actually have the first assignment. It's a listen and respond one. You're going to listen to a couple different recordings of things, and you're going to then write a reflection on how the different interpretations of the song you heard affected the way that you listened to the assignment and responded to it. Next, you've got some slides that are on some basic music concepts like rhythm, elements of music, beat, tempo. And so once you've gotten through all of those, we then have a wrap up, and this kind of goes through everything that we talked about. And then after that, you actually have a quiz that can count as one of your weekly assignments. So if you choose this one, that'll count for your week assignment. And then you also have a third option right here, which is to create a video of your own beat and rhythm. So after that, you have just an optional assignment. This is actually the submission page, so make sure you submit it here. After that, you've got an assignment that's an extension. You don't have to do this. This is just in case you want to keep going and see more about what we talked about this week. So that wraps it up for the secondary general music lessons for this week. So if you're doing those, then you can actually stop the video here. Going into these optional guitar lessons. So if you choose these, here are the lessons for this week, and the slides and the notes are probably the most important ones, and this basically gives you access to my presentations that I have, and we are going to be doing bar chords within this unit. And if you go through here, it gives you descriptions, it gives you diagrams of the chords, the guitar neck, everything like that, and then some tips and pointers. Once you've done that, then you can apply the chords that we've learned to actual real-world songs, and I give you access to the chord sheets. So the first example is Creep by Radiohead. The second example is Upside Down by Jack Johnson, and then the third example is Marry You by Bruno Mars. So you can actually choose which one you want to play, or you can play all 3. Once you've been practicing this each day, then you come to the week 1 practice log, and this is where you're actually going to get the points. This is the assignment for the week. And if we go to this practice log, you're going to see that you've got basically a schedule of your practice time. You're going to outline how you're going to be practicing, and then you're going to do a little reflection afterwards about what concepts you practiced, what you had trouble with, what you need to practice in the future. So that will be your assignment for this week and for other weeks as well when we get into weeks 2, 3, and 4. Looking at the modules, you'll see one more thing, and that is this 6th string basic bar chords progress check. This one is not due until May 8th. You have an extra week on this. And this will be an assignment, basically a video you showing me yourself playing these chords that we learned in the first lesson of the unit. And I give you an extra week. That way you have a lot of time to practice it. And there will be more details about what I'll want for this assignment next week. So that's pretty much everything for our lessons here. And just remember, my office hours are Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 3 o'clock. So if you have any questions and you want an immediate answer, just email me during those times, or you can email me any other time. I miss you guys. I hope this is fun for you, and I hope you guys are able to learn a lot, and I hope I can see you soon.